Well, I don't know, but you want to take a look over there to your right? It looks like we got Kairat Akhmedov, who's coming off of a big win earlier tonight. And I think them bringing Kairat means this is your next title challenger.
Thank you. So, boys, see, this is the beautiful thing about this sport is I can do as I please. I can walk off in the sunset, go home, talk business, see what happens. But if he is the next opponent, I'll be ready for his wrestling because I watched the fight with him, Reese McLaren. If he's just going to come down here and wrestle me, I'll make sure my jiu-jitsu is good. Oh, and I forgot. Shout out to Professor Yan at Grapple Club. I love you guys. And yeah, we'll see what happens.
All right. Hey, Kairat, you got a message for the champ?
Hey, what's up, Denver, Colorado? Скажи, не хочу отнимать его минуту славы. Он легенда. You legend, brother. I know. Я хочу драться с такими чемпионами, легендами. Это история. Ты знаешь, что я следующий. Так что, брат, прими этот бой. Давай сделаем отличный шоу.
Much respect for Demetrius. So I know he's a champion, but I want to fight with like this guy, like Demetrius. Let's do it. I want to fight with him. Let's do it.
Final words?
Show me the money!
Denver, Colorado! Make it loud for the still one flyweight champion of the world, Demetrius Mighty Mouse Johnson!
Rich, will we see this fight, or will DJ